Hello friends, happy to see you in my channel Learn Python by Practice. Today we try to solve next problem, unique in order. Implement the function unique in order, which takes as argument as sequence and returns a list of items without any elements with the same value next to each other and preserving the original order of elements. This we have some cases and input like this and output like this. That is without duplications. First we create an empty list. Next, create variable, string variable. After this, create a loop for loop. In loop we create a condition. And if condition true, we append value of our y, our y. And assign our string previous new value in order to y. And return a result. Our loop for iterates alphabetically, input list iterable, and if condition true, add a value, this character which is being iterate at the moment our loop for. That's all. Thanks for your revision, and if you have any question, please ask me at the comments line. Bye bye.